What subreddit isn't what it sounds like? r/anime_titties r/next fucking level. Most of the stuff posted there barely qualifies for the tutorial level. r/marijuana enthusiasts. Well, for one, r/Super Bowl has nothing to do with football. It's a subreddit about Super Bowls. r/tight pussy. r/OnlyFans. /r/human porn. The trend really went full circle on that one. r/potato salad and r/John Cena. Well, there is /r/unbugdivkidkshaibug, which seems that someone had a stroke, but it actually means upvoted not because girl, but because it is very cool. However, I do concede that I initially clicked because girl. r/teehee. I have yet to see a single picture of Michael Jackson in there.